mixed with eggs. It's so yummy. So you mix your eggs. After mixing your eggs, this is how it looks like. You crumble them, scramble them, scramble them, scramble them. Then after, you fry your chapati, but you make sure you put it on a very low heat. And then after, you pour around your chapati. This is how it looks like. This is called Ekikomado. You mix your chapati with the egg, but make sure it's on a very low heat. Yeah, I've mixed in some red pepper. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay, get back to you later. Hi, beautiful people. So this is our result. It's gonna be a yummy chapati. You see? So we just made our chapati mixed with eggs, as I showed you earlier on. And then we're gonna have some tomatoes, some onions, and some vegetables. And our chapati is so yummy. Come join me, guys. Come join me, and we have this yummy meal. Today is a day to spoil myself. I am free at home and I am doing nada because it's my day off. So today we're gonna have a yummy meal. And you know, for a long time I hadn't spoiled myself, but today I'm gonna spoil myself with this yummy breakfast. So we got our onions on, mixed with tomatoes, and then we have the vegetables on, and our goodie. This is chapati mixed with eggs. In our country we call it Ekikomado. In our country, Uganda, this is Ekikomado. So guys, come join me. Let's have fun eating this yummy delicious breakfast. Yummy protein. Today is a day to spoil myself. I was missing home cooked food, and I was missing our home delicious Ekikomado. Come join me. Love you guys. This is your girl Letitia Shine. Take care. Keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to comment. And also do not forget to like and share.